In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload picture in Miro. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to bring images onto your board so you can illustrate ideas, document feedback, or make your workshop visuals more engaging. First, let's cover the fastest approach, drag and drop. Start by opening the Miro board you want to work in, then open your computer's file explorer so you can see your image file and your Miro board at the same time. Locate the picture you want to use, click and hold it, and drag it directly over the Miro canvas. When you see the canvas highlight, release the mouse. Miro will upload the image and place it right where you dropped it. If the file is large, give it a moment to process. If nothing appears, make sure you let go on the canvas area, not on the toolbar or sidebar, and check your internet connection. This method is great when you already have the file handy on your desktop or in a folder and want a quick visual placement. Now, if you prefer a menu-guided route or you're working from a link, use the upload menu. Look to the left side toolbar and click the plus icon, sometimes labeled Add. Choose Upload to open your options. If the image is saved on your computer, select From My Device. A file picker will open, navigate to your image, select it and confirm. Miro will add it to your board. If your picture is hosted online, choose via URL, paste the direct web address of the image and confirm. For best results, use a direct image link that ends in a common format like .png or .jpg and make sure the image is publicly accessible. Some sites block direct linking, so if the upload doesn't work, it's usually because the link leads to a web page rather than the actual image file. After your picture appears on the board, you can click and drag it to position it where it makes the most sense for your layout. If you want precise placement, zoom in before uploading or dropping the file so it lands closer to your target spot. If you're collaborating, consider letting teammates know before you upload large images to avoid sync delays and keep file sizes reasonable to maintain a smooth experience. That's it. Two simple ways to upload pictures in Miro: drag and drop for speed, and the upload menu for files on your device or images via URL. Try both methods and use the one that fits your workflow.